It's like something out of Tron. People like to say that it's like driving a giant refrigerator, and it kind of is, but you know, it's cool. What's up, guys? So today we are getting our first drive in the Tesla Cybertruck, and you know, I've driven a Model Y Performance, I've driven a Model X, I've driven a Model 3. This is unlike any driving experience I've ever had. The steer-by-wire thing is so strange. So I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. But also, a truck shouldn't be able to accelerate like that. This thing really feels like you're driving a giant electric rhino. Yeah, I'm sorry we like jumped straight into this, but I only have a limited amount of time with this car, as it is obviously not mine. But wow, so far this car is just, it's so gimmicky and so unique, and you know, it's just unlike anything you'll ever drive. But I gotta say, for the amount of hate that this car gets, driving it has been a very interesting experience. 68A on the right. All right, shut up. How do I get her to shut up? But yeah, the steer-by-wire, like, you're barely turning the steering wheel and it's turning the whole truck. It's so strange how like fully turned on this steering wheel is like nothing else. I mean, it's just so different than what, you know, you're used to having to turn the wheel like 5 times in order to fully get it turned around. But the amount of attention that you get in this car is unlike any car I've ever driven before too. People simply just cannot take their eyes off of it. Like that guy right there just gave me a peace sign. I mean, people love it. They love this car. They're I don't know if they love it, but they sure are entertained by it, and it's definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. As far as the actual driving of the car, like going back to that, it's not like driving. It's not like driving. It's like driving a spaceship. And I said that the first time I drove a regular Tesla. But this one truly is like driving a spaceship. I want to pull over here just so I can give y'all a better look of this car. Like, look how much I'm barely steering this, and it's fully turned. These giant doors. All right, so this is obviously just a foundation series. It's a long range, just the regular dual motor. It's not the Cyber Beast, but look at this front headlight bar. It's like something out of a video game. It's like something out of Tron. People like to say that it's like driving a giant refrigerator, and it kind of is, but you know, it's cool. It's cool. This one's really dirty, but you have the sliding cover for your trunk. It's like the garage door style close. Humongous trunk space, by the way. The tailgate does come down automatically, but it doesn't go up automatically. Press the button on the side to open the door. The back seat is super spacious and nice. You have this like tablet in the back that you can control your AC on. If you want, you can choose your media source. You can even watch Netflix and other streaming services back here. Super spacious back seat. Yeah, very comfortable. Hopping back in the driver's seat. These doors are so heavy too. That was another thing I've noticed. All right, let's flip it back around. So this does have rear wheel steering as well. So let's see if we can actually fully turn. We can't turn around, but slide up and down to go forward and back. It's truly like a video game. If that stops working, you do have stuff up here that will light up to swap your drive gears, or your, you know, forward or backwards. There's no gears in this thing, as it is electric. All your controls are obviously through the screen, just like a regular Tesla. You can open and close your tonneau cover from the screen, and you can change your ride height to high, medium, low. You can adjust your steering, your mirrors, all that other good stuff, your dynamics, or something like your drive mode, your acceleration, your handling. I'm going to turn to, well, let's see if I can make it more focused. Yeah, there we go. preferred ride height. You can do higher or lower, it depends on how fast you're going. And then autopilot to full self-driving. Although I'm not entirely sure how to put an autopilot on this steering wheel because I'm only used to a Model 3. I think you double tap this button. We'll see if we can get it in full self-drive. First, we got to do a little acceleration here. Yeah, this thing moves. And the sound is different from other Teslas. The sound is different. It sounds even more spaceshipy, if Elon could even do that. This is super nice. Since my tonneau cover is down, I can't see out of the back, but it does show me like a rear view mirror on the display here. And let's listen to that sound again on the acceleration, because that was nuts sounding. Yeah, this thing's moving. For a truck, no truck should be, I mean, accelerating like that. Like, that's crazy. But I will say, you can definitely feel the weight of the car when you're braking after an acceleration like that. You can feel those brakes working really hard to stop this thing. This thing is well over 6,000 pounds. It's just a peaceful ride when it's on autopilot. You can change the max speed with the right scroll wheel. The steering wheel, every time I look down at it, I'm like, where's the rest of the steering wheel? It's so small. I mean, it's fun to drive though. Could I drive it every day? I don't know, but I sure am enjoying driving it right now, just because it's literally so different from everything I've ever driven. Call it a gimmick if you want, but I mean, it is what it is. It's a sweet concept of a car. It's much different than everything else on the market. And you also have this. I mean, it's fast, and this isn't even the fast one. This is just the regular long range. This isn't the Foundation Series Cyber Beast. This is just the regular dual motor. I can't imagine what the Cyber Beast feels like. I'm sure it feels something similar to a Plaid, which I have yet to experience. Oh my gosh. Oh! Yeah, I need to slow down here. Alright. This has been awesome so far, guys. We are wrapping up the drive here soon. This was just a demo drive. I just want to get a POV so you guys could see what it's like to experience the Cybertruck. If you're looking to drive a Cybertruck yourself, you can just go to your nearest Tesla dealership and schedule a demo drive. It's a really easy process, just in and out with your license and insurance, and you're on the road. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, I know a lot of people hate on Cybertrucks, which, you know, it's not for everybody. But I will say I definitely enjoyed driving this car. But yeah, guys, as always, like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below which car you'd like to see next, and if you enjoyed, what are your opinions on the Cybertruck? Do you think it's something that people should be giving as much hate about as it's been getting, or is it something that you think is, you know, functional in daily living? I don't know. But yeah, if you enjoyed, subscribe. New videos like every 3 days. So I'm just like y'all. I love cars. I love driving them. And I want to share the experiences of the cars I get to drive with the rest of y'all. So thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later. All right, peace.